we have come up with another question. Actually, they will not leave us until we will be clear in multiple concept, okay, common multiples concept. In the last several questions, we have seen important concepts of factors, common factors, multiples, common multiples. Now, we will see another kind of question. Write all the numbers less than 100, all the numbers less than 100, which are common multiples of 3 and 4. They are asking to write the common multiples of 3 and 4 which are less than 100. That is what they asked. Okay, before entering into the answering the question, I am once again telling you, you should understand the question properly. You should understand the question properly, then only start answering the question. Okay, so first we write multiples of 3. Multiples of 3. What are multiples of 3? 3 into 1 equal to 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. Likewise 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57, 60, 63, 66, 69, 72, 75, 75, 78, 81, 84, 87, 90, 93, 96, 99. So the multiples of 3 up to 100 we have written. Same way, multiples of 4. Multiples of 4 up to 100 we need to write. You know how I have written this? Just 3 multiplication. 3 into 1 equal to 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 into 3 9. 3 into 4 12. 3 into 5 15. 3 into 6 18. Likewise I have written. Now multiples of 4 are 4. 4 into 1 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. Then 20. 24. 28. 32. 36. 40. 44. 48, 52, 56, 60, 64, 68, 72, 76, 80, 84, 88, 92, 96, 100. So these are the multiples up to 100. Okay. I will tell you one shortcut how I have written this much speed. Okay. First thing, if you know the tables, you will definitely write it very fast. If you don't know the tables, first write 3, then keep on adding 3 3 to it. 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 3, 18, 18 plus 3, 21, and so on till the end. Here, if you don't know the multiples of 4, first write 4, okay, then keep on adding 4 to it. 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 4 is 16. Likewise, you keep on adding, that will be the multiples of 4. Okay. If you want, you can check this 4 multiplication table also. 4 into 1, 4 into 2, 4 into 3, 4 into 4, 4 into 5, 4 into 6, and so on. Now, they asked, what is that? Yeah. Common multiple. Common means we should identify the number which is present both here and here. I am putting line. So, I will write common multiple. 3 not present, 6 not present, 9 not present. See, here there are large numbers, here there are small numbers. Take these numbers and verify whether this is present or not. Why? Because we will go less iterations. Like, see, means we need to do a smart work. Here if you take the numbers are more, here if you see numbers are less. So take the number, compare whether this present or not. So 4 not present. Okay. 8 not present. 12 present. Okay. Then 16 not, 20 not, 24 present, 28, 32, 36 yes, 40, 44, 48 yes, 52, no. 56, 60, yes. 64, 68, 72, yes. 72, 76, 80, 94, yes. 88, 92, 96, yes. Since they asked up to 100, just this. So what are the circle numbers? First thing is 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96. I think it's visible, right? So these are the common multiples of 3 and 4 less than 100. By this way we need to write. In the exam, step by step, if you write clearly, then teacher will give you good marks. Okay? How much ever you know the concept, that is important, but much more important is how you are presenting your concept on the paper. Okay, you need to write step by step. Finally you have to write the conclusion. This conclusion also very important. Finally what we have to write, the common multiples of 3 and 4 less than 100 are, that you need to write. Okay, thank you.